Welcome to Decor Studio, where creativity meets sustainability. Valentine's Day might be over, but those heart-shaped wreaths, red ribbons, and rose-filled vases don't have to disappear into storage. Today, we're transforming those romantic leftovers into a stunning spring indoor garden. It's all about upcycling, giving new life to old decor while bringing fresh greenery into your home. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned crafter, this project is simple, affordable, and oh so rewarding. Stick with me as we turn love-themed trinkets into a vibrant display that celebrates spring. Let's get started. Introduction to Upcycling Valentine's Decor. Valentine's Day leaves behind a treasure trove of decorations. Think heart-shaped wreaths, red ribbons, and rose-filled vases. Instead of packing them away, consider transforming these romantic relics into a vibrant spring indoor garden. Upcycling not only saves money, but also sparks creativity, giving new life to items that might otherwise gather dust. This article explores how to repurpose your Valentine's leftovers into a fresh, green display that celebrates the renewal of spring. With a few tweaks, those love-themed pieces can bloom into something entirely new. Spring signals growth and rejuvenation, making it the perfect season to rethink your indoor space. By blending Valentine's sentimental charm with spring's earthy tones, you create a unique fusion of past and present. This project requires minimal supplies, just some basic gardening tools, soil, and plants, plus a willingness to experiment. Let's dive into the process, starting with the materials you'll need to gather from your Valentine's stash and beyond. Gathering your materials. Begin by rating your Valentine's Day collection. Look for items like glass vases once filled with roses, heart-shaped containers, or even red and pink garlands. These will serve as the foundation for your garden. Pair them with small indoor plants, succulents, herbs, or ferns work well, available at any garden store. You'll also need potting soil, pebbles for drainage, and perhaps some paint to refresh faded decor. Scour your home for scissors, glue, or twine to tie it all together. The beauty of this project lies in its flexibility. If you don't have vases, repurpose candle holders or mason jars from Valentine's crafts. Missing garlands? Use leftover ribbons or fabric scraps instead. The goal is to blend the romantic reds and pinks with spring greens, creating a cohesive yet eclectic look. Once you've gathered your materials, sort them by function: containers, accents, and plant-ready pieces to streamline the transformation process. Transforming containers. Start with your Valentine's vases or jars. Clear out dried flower remnants and wash them thoroughly. Fill the base with pebbles for drainage, then add a layer of potting soil. Plant your chosen greenery. Succulents are low maintenance and fit nicely in small containers. These revamped vessels instantly shift from love tokens to earthy planters, anchoring your spring garden. Arrange them on a windowsill or shelf for maximum sunlight exposure. For a bolder twist, paint the containers. Use pastel shades like mint green or soft yellow to echo spring, or leave hints of red and pink for continuity. A quick coat of chalk paint can turn a sleek vase into a rustic planter. Add texture by wrapping twine around the rim or gluing on small Valentine's hearts as quirky labels. These personal touches make each piece a standout in your indoor oasis. Repurposing wreaths and garlands. Heart-shaped wreaths from Valentine's Day can evolve into stunning garden frames. Remove any wilted flowers, then weave in fresh greenery like ivy or faux vines for a fuller look. Hang the wreath on a wall or lay it flat as a base for potted plants. This creates a focal point that bridges the seasons, blending love's symbolism with nature's vitality. Secure everything with floral wire or hot glue for durability. Garlands, too, deserve a second act. Drape red or pink strands across shelves or twist them around plant pots for a pop of color. Alternatively, cut them into smaller segments to use as ties for climbing plants like pothoes. This subtle integration keeps the Valentine's vibe alive while letting spring's freshness take center stage. Experiment with placement until it feels balanced and organic. Adding finishing touches. Incorporate leftover Valentine's cards or tags as plant markers. Write the names of your herbs or succulents on them with a marker, then stake them into the soil. This adds a sentimental layer to your garden, turning fleeting greetings into lasting keepsakes. If the cards are too ornate, simplify them by trimming excess designs or layering them with neutral paper for a cleaner look. Enhance the setup with natural elements like moss or river rocks. Scatter these around the base of your planters for a forest floor effect. Small LED lights from Valentine's Decor can also be repurposed. String them along shelves or tuck them into wreaths for a cozy glow. These details elevate the garden, making it a year-round delight rather than a seasonal fling. Displaying your spring garden. Placement is key to showcasing your upcycled creation. A sunny windowsill is ideal for plant health and visibility, letting natural light highlight the mix of Valentine's reds and spring greens. Group containers in odd numbers 3 or 5 for a pleasing asymmetrical arrangement. Rotate them occasionally to ensure even growth and to refresh the display's appeal over time. For smaller spaces, consider a vertical setup. Hang wreaths or stack shelves to maximize height, draping garlands to connect the layers. This draws the eye upward, making the room feel larger and more dynamic. Add a tray beneath to catch water drips, keeping your space tidy. Your garden now doubles as functional decor, breathing life into any corner. Maintenance and evolution. Caring for your indoor garden is simple. Water sparingly, succulents and herbs thrive on neglect, and check soil moisture with your finger. Prune dead leaves to keep it tidy, and mist occasionally for humidity-loving plants like ferns. This low-effort upkeep ensures your upcycled pieces remain vibrant, blending Valentine's charm with spring's resilience year-round. As seasons shift, let your garden evolve. Swap plants or add new Valentine's scraps next February. This living project adapts with you, reflecting both memory and growth. It's a testament to how creativity can transform the ordinary into something enduring, proving that even fleeting decor can find a lasting purpose. Conclusion. Upcycling Valentine's decor into a spring indoor garden is more than a craft, it's a celebration of renewal. From vases to wreaths, each piece tells a story of transformation, merging love's warmth with nature's vitality. This project invites you to rethink waste, turning seasonal trinkets into a thriving display. So grab those leftover hearts and ribbons and start planting. Your home will thank you with a burst of green that lasts far beyond February. That's it for today's upcycling adventure at Decor Studio. From Valentine's vases to heart wreath planters, we've created a spring indoor garden that's both beautiful and meaningful. This project proves you don't need to toss out seasonal decor, just reimagine it with a little green magic. Your home now has a fresh, living centerpiece that evolves with the seasons. If you loved this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own upcycling ideas in the comments. Thanks for joining me. Let's keep creating, one sustainable step at a time. See you next time.